Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Mother Nature, deserving its love, care and nurturing. Ladies and gentlemen, across the silent span of the cosmos, planet Earth stands as a singular marvel, an oasis of life consciously designed within a grand cosmic architecture. Among the innumerable celestial bodies, Earth alone offers a sanctuary where human existence is not only possible but thrives. This is not mere coincidence. It reflects the intricate intention of the Master Creator who infused life with a purpose and a habitat with meaning. Earth as a physical entity belongs to the cosmic order, a vessel shaped by energy, governed by laws and enriched with resources to support life. Yet, what breathes life into this structure is nature, the living intelligence, the unseen programming of the cosmos, orchestrated by the Creator to care, sustain and regenerate. While Earth provides the habitat, nature ensures that life flows in perfect balance. Seasons arrive and depart in rhythm, water cycles in purity, air renews its composition, and the soil reclaims its fertility, all in silent, unbroken harmony. In this grand interplay, nature emerges as the unseen caretaker, a silent force assuming the role of a mother. She gives without asking, heals without complaint, and nurtures without need for recognition. Her systems work tirelessly to ensure that human life is not only possible but lovingly supported. Just as a mother prepares every detail before a child arrives, nature has meticulously calibrated every aspect of existence: sunlight, oxygen, gravity, food chains, and emotional resonance, so that life not only exists but flourishes. Ancient civilizations, far from being primitive, grasped this cosmic design deeply. They revered nature as sacred, as a divine presence to be respected and honored. In cultures across time, from the Andes to the Himalayas, nature was not a resource to be consumed, but a deity to be lived with in gratitude and grace. In Indian tradition, this sacred force is reflected in three feminine energies: Lakshmi, the goddess of resources and abundance; Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and knowledge; and Durga, the goddess of strength and righteous action. Together, they represent the holistic face of Mother Nature, empowering humanity to think, act, and grow with purpose. This Trinity reminds that with right intention, supported by nature's gifts, life can move toward a positive, purposeful, and progressive path. Nature never demands, yet a quiet obligation remains for humanity to reciprocate, not through ritual or debt, but through understanding. Like a mother whose needs are often unspoken, Mother Nature seeks only gentle regard, that her gifts be valued, her systems respected, and her silence never mistaken for weakness. In the words of Lord Krishna, in the Bhagavad Gita, nature is described as the divine energy of the Supreme Being. What's the way forward? Across cultures and eras, the greatest wisdom has often come from recognizing the invisible, what sustains life without seeking reward. Nature's unceasing care, like that of a mother, asks for no return. Yet awareness brings responsibility. The way forward lies in cultivating this awareness, not as a burden, but as a quiet act of reverence. To live in harmony with nature is not to surrender progress, but to redefine it. When resources are used mindfully, when rhythms are honored, and when gratitude replaces indifference, humanity does not regress, it rises. The return role then is not of fixing, but of remembering. Remembering that being part of nature means caring as she does, patiently, selflessly, and wisely. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Mother Nature remains the unseen guardian of all existence. In her silence, there is wisdom. In her giving, a quiet strength. She neither judges nor withdraws, only continues to support life in every breath, drop, and bloom. To recognize this is to awaken a deeper consciousness, not bound by age, nation, or belief. In nurturing what nurtures, life becomes more than survival. It becomes sacred. The relationship with nature is not one of ownership, but of kinship, unspoken, enduring, and profoundly transformative. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.